Got a lure in the tree. Somebody was going over here. There we go. That is a good spot. Really good spot. Look at that.